Straight stitch is very simple, but extremely useful. It can create a very precise appearance, but it's also a great stitch for suggesting a sketch effect. As most of my embroidery projects are nature themed, I find straight stitches ideal for stitching grasses. It's a stitch that lends itself perfectly to freeform embroidery. I can choose the length and placement of the stitches to get the effect I want. If these were much longer stems, I would use stem stitch or chain stitch to give them more stability. Long threads of straight stitch can lose their tautness unless you secure each stitch on the reverse of the design. This is certainly doable, but it's more tricky if there are no surrounding threads to help anchor the stitch invisibly. This is a particularly good stitch for blending colours. It's clean and simple, and you can bring in as many threads as you like depending on how dense you want the stitching to be. It has a less formal appearance than silk shading, as you don't need to control the length of the stitches in the same way. That's all for now, thank you for watching. I'll be back with another stitch tutorial soon. If all goes to plan, it will be for seed stitch. If you'd like to see more tutorials, I have a Stitch Library playlist here. Bye for now.